Hi guys, Diego here, back with another video, and today I will be playing Car Crushers 2. This is gonna be quite a short video because I only got one new vehicle, the mini dumper truck, not really mini, and then I have to get all the way to 15 trillion. I already crushed this car once and it only gave me this much, like not even a lot. So I don't really know what to do in this video, but I'm just gonna show you. I just wanted to show you how big it is and how fast it goes. It just goes 44 miles per hour, not really fast. Let's try this one all the way at the end. This destroys cars really fast, and I'm gonna crash. Crashed. I hate when that happens. Come on. Hold on. Let me just fix it. Refresh. Okay, so I'm getting back in the game right now. Hold on. Okay, there. I have to do something here. Hold on. Okay. Oh, okay. So let me just respawn the vehicle right now. Honestly, I can't. I'm gonna do a derby match with this, and I'm gonna show you how it goes. I'm not really gonna record it. But can you guys help me get some notebooks so I can buy them? That gave me nothing. Sad. That barely gave me nothing. Anyways, guys, can you help me get get some notebooks so I can or buy money so I can get the tank? No. I need 20 minutes till this. I was gonna explode the quad, but apparently I crashed, and yeah, so I might just do a derby match. I may or may not record it. I'm not really sure. So guys, I'm just gonna end the video here. I just kind of want to show you the truck. It's huge, and I think it's really cool to have. Wait, oh my god, I just got an idea. Dun, dun, dun. Freeze the wheels off. This is gonna be awesome. Hold on. Okay. I destroyed the vehicle. Now it's building. No. Alright guys, this has been a short video. So sorry about that. I might make longer videos, maybe a derby match. Maybe. Oh, my friend joined. So let me just end the video here. I'm gonna record a derby match with this soon. I hope I get Juggernaut in one of the matches so I can use this vehicle. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. And see you next time. Oh, see you next time. Bye.